Basically, on that day, Monday, you open up the floor, no briefing about delegates, wise up confirming and Gubona Kokuaba accrediting the Barireje by Mwanya. Then you brief them on the guidelines and the expectations generally. Then you open up nominations. You open up nominations. We have forms for that. Twaweza kuhandikisa abakwenda kwesimba omuri the 38. Then we shall open the floor for campaigns.
Oh.
The same day.
Oh.
Nominations, campaigns, and polling is the same day, Monday.
Oh.
So when we open the floor for campaigns with some good ground rules, then polling using secret ballot.
Secret ballot.
Using a ballot paper which shall be manufactured there and then after the conclusion of the nominations. So mbwenu, what am I saying? That kugira ngu ezo segments zona za the electoral process that are taking place in one day ndarajibwa nashishimira kuba nyine buli kimwe nko kuwambuza kandi ko kundi kuhamya nyine buli kimwe.